Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to take apart and rebuild the Synology DiskStation DS423 NAS. I will show you step by step how to assemble it and what's really inside the powerful little box. By the end you will know exactly how it works and how to safely handle it. So let's get started. First up, let's unlock the drive bay with the little key that comes with your NAS. Just pop it in and turn it gently, don't force it. You will hear a click, that means it's unlocked. Now carefully pull out the hard drive tray. Here we have our 40B Synology SATA hard drive. Handle it gently. This is where all your data lives, and even a small scratch could cause problems. Always keep the drives in the same order they came out to avoid data issue later. Next, let's flip the NAS around and check out the back. You can see the cooling fan, all the port and where everything connects. Before we go further, we need to remove the screw holding the back panel. Grab a screwdriver and loosen them carefully. Keep them safe. You will need them for reassembly. Once all the screws are out, gently push inside and lift the cover off. And there you go. Full access to the inside of the NAS. Everything is neatly organized, which makes maintenance much easier. Now let's remove the fan press. Just unplug it from the connector and lift it out. Next is the main board. Make sure all cables are disconnected first, then gently lift it out. The main board is the brain of the NAS. It controls drivers, network, fans and all communication between parts. Keep the mainboard on a safe, static, free surface to avoid damage. Looking closer, you can see the SSD port. Over here, we have the main SATA hard drive connectors. This is where your 40B drives plug in. Everything is easy to access, which is great if you want to upgrade later. The mainboard is basically the NAS narrow system. It has the BIOS chip, processing chips and connector. Some chips are covered with heat sink, small metal block that help keep them cool. This prevent overheating and keep your NAS stable. Before we start assembling, it's good idea to clean all the part, dust off the pan, wipe the connector and make sure everything is tidy. A clean NAS runs better and lasts longer. Once that's done, we are ready to put it back together. First, place the fan back in its spot. Line up the screw holes and secure it with screws. Snug, but don't over tighten. The fan will keep your NAS cool while running. Reconnect all cables, power, SATA, fan, making sure they are snug. Then carefully place the cover back on and press it down until it clicks. This protects all the internal components. Tighten all the screws evenly to secure the cover. Don't over tighten or you might strip the holes. The NAS is starting to look complete again. Next, close the NVMe cover. Press it down gently until it clicks into place. This protects your NVMe slots from dust and damage. Now place each hard drive back into its tray. Slide it in carefully. Make sure the connector line up and secure it with screws. Match each drive to the correct bay 1, 2, 3, 4. Wrong order could cause data loss. Double check before sliding them in. Once all the drives are in their trays, slide each tray into its empty bay. You will hear a click when each one is seated correctly. Ensuring the drive are properly connected is key for the NAS to recognize them. Finally, plug in the power and network cable. Double check all connection. Press the power button and watch your NAS start up. The system will recognize all the drives and everything is ready to go. And that's it guys, that's how you safely tear down, inspect and rebuild your Synology DS423 NAS. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe and hit the bell for more tutorial. Thanks for watching.